How to resume a course in Khan Academy. If you have been using the Khan Academy application and wondering on how to resume a course that you have been studying on it, don't worry, in this video I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the application just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to resume a course, now tap onto bookmarks right here at the bottom, select it. Now here you can find the course that you have been studying right here. Now tap onto one just like this and you can simply study where you have stopped. Now to simply add this video to bookmark, you need to simply add your bookmark as well. So go to explore right here. Now tap onto one of the courses just like this and choose one of the topics that you want to study just like this. After tapping on it, keep on reading the course or the subject just like this, and then if you want to resume it later, simply tap onto bookmark right here, tap on it and it will be added on your bookmark just like this, and then you can simply resume a course in this app. And that's it. This is how you can resume a course in the Khan Academy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.